answer, ano yung rini, and you get a prize. First question is, raise your hand nila. Kay, ang mga taga-pass na, mas malakas na mag-ingat sa bagay ko. Lagi, mas bilis na ba? Okay, first question for everybody. What does CED stand for? Okay, sige. Ikaw na sa mga What's your name? Rosemary from what section? Oh! Asan po target niya, babe? Ay, saan ba nagkabit? Saan na naman? Hello? Joke lang. Okay, sponsor! Okay! Jade, okay. What does DEC stand for? Joke lang. What does CED stand for? And, sa hindi ko naman sila, kasi ko remember ang topic siya.
Current Event Digest.
Current Events Digest. Okay, as events mo look, iba itong program mo siya, or ano? Okay, Current Events Digest is correct! Ito pa naman si Rose for me from Fort Garnet. Okay. Bilis na ba naman nalit ang price mo? Uy! Ref Magnet, ano yun? Hello, Ref Magnet. Wow, thank you so much. Next question is, which year was MOGS founded? Alam. I was never asked this before. Wala. Pero MOGS magkatulong ko doon eh. For sure, 1909. Hala. Such a disgrace. Everybody 1909, okay? So dapat ako na, okay. Who was the salutatorian? Sabi ni Victoriano. Kapag salutatorian, hindi naman ako sa salutatorian. Bagi may source tayo, hindi naman ako. Okay. Cycle. We could always remember the name. Rolando Canatos. It's not Rolando Canatos, he was our valedictorian. Isa ako sa tapunan. For sure, dito ako. Mas rin ako dito ako. Okay. Mag-learning session ako dito ako. Ako, pag-learning ako siya. Kasi ako na. Vanessa, sige na lang, lisog lang ako. Hindi mo ba nakaslit? Hindi mo ba nag-Einstein? Hindi mo ba Vanessa, hindi mo nag-Einstein? First honorable, okay. Dili ba, dili.
Hint daw.
Dili na, dili sa Doon sa Richard, Tolinero na siya sa Xavier University siya, ang director mo sa DevCom. Actually, wala rin, anak-anak rin. Ganito ko, wala ka na ba? Ganito sila. Kaya mo sa Tapos, wala ka ba naman eh. Okay, dali sir.
Sorry, nas daw. Ono si dalang masa.
Sir, dali sir. Sir, what's your name? Sabi ko lang niya. And from what section? Amikis. Oh, okay, Amikis. Kanina, for sure, hindi natin katawag sa ito kay Amikis man. Tapos sila, manulong sa una man. Sir, who was our salutatorian? Iman, dyan, Alphonse Arinas. So, ayos mo! Saan ba tayo? Kasi naman na ba? Ako naman sila isang group. Okay, wala na yun? Actually, wala ko yung name, wala ko yung group isa. Pero, kanina itong mga nasa people, they know the answer. That is why, ako di ba na. Si Moy, mako! Okay, so nobody got the right answer, ladies and gentlemen. So who was our salutatorian? Alfechi. Where was our JDS from hell? Okay, come Ako na si Machina kay si Ma'am Sheena, may sponsor to sa akin nato. Okay, Ma'am Sheena is a businesswoman. However, kung mo ba siya ng life, ang boss dito. Okay, tell us your name.
Ako si Sheena Irish Baso, from J. Dili lang malimtan ang buwan, atong JN, hindi siya JS.
Oh, very good.
JN, Junior High. Eh kami ang kalaog sa Shibans. Senior State!
Xavier States and Country Club. Okay, yes. Nakakiwa ko sa JNO, Junior High. Because nag-join ako to sa Mr. and Ms. Junior High. And napili ko ni William James Avila. Wow. Tapos kita ko sa Magita. When was our graduation day? April. Who remembers the day that we graduated? March 26. Is it March 26? Sure naman? Wala yung pumunta niya kung ba March 26? Ano ito? What's your name again? Joanne from which section? Ito na sasabihin ko, baka mo si Joanne sa iyo. Dahil nagbatasan. Asa March 26 year? So it was March 26. Wow. So that was my name. The names of the 4 science sections. Dali mo. There were 4 science sections, right? Yes, you are. Wow. I'm from Korea, from Pascal. Kasi for example, I'm Saiho from... Kasi yung section Saiho? I'm Saiho from Moonstone. Again, ladies and gentlemen, you are? From? Okay. Einstein, which I was in that section. Pascal, June, and Einstein, alright? Discipline. Full name. Kaya si Mama Nili, name mo na siya. Full name. Okay, salamat po kaya ang section nila. Okay. Sir, what's your name?
Lawrence.
Ang kataling siya kung ilang ni Bar.
Lawrence Kano, 4 bar.
Okay. Lawrence Kyle, is my classmate. One is lang mga buutan ng mga classmate ni Kanito ng Solima. Bubukil mo rin. Ay, sorry, ako yung mga buutan ni Sana. Okay. Complete name? Hindi. Ganda lang, yung hindi niya. Okay.
Sir Miguel Masilas.
Was it Sir Miguel Bertolazo? Bertolazo na daw. Sakto! Okay! Ay, salamat kayo na pumunta. Kailangan na sa question. Nasa section. Alright, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, please let us give ourselves a big round.